wash your hands before eating. Now it's time into Owak's turn to shower. That shower was so comfy, but my hair is still wet. I need to dry it. Hey, my name is Chloe and I'm here to dry your hair. This is so nice. Cool. I love it. Oh no, I'm getting overheated. Wow, this is the best hairstyle ever. We'll show you how to make this shower playset. It's super fun and easy.
Tung, tung, tung. Tung, tung,
What is this woodpecker doing here? It's gone. Hey, Owak, it's your turn. It's Mr. Tree. Yeah.
Oh no!
Thank you, Woodpecker. We will show you how to make this paper toy. Super fun and easy. Ready for our Sprunki concert? Uh-oh, my trumpet isn't working. Oh wow, why is there a big balloon? Wow! Hey, don't chew bubblegum while you're playing your trumpet. Oops, sorry. We will show you how to make this Sprunki paper toy. It's super fun and easy. Sahur is feeding to a Sprunki pizza party. Look, he sees so many friends on his way to the yummy pizza place. He finally gets there just in time, but oh no, there's only one slice left. Yay, I got it, yum, yum, yum. We will show you how to make it with everyday stuff. It's super easy.
Do you want this watch?
No, this is too dumb and heavy. Oh no, I can't move my arm.
What about this Sprunki watch?
Whoa, this is so cute. I love it. This is perfect. What about me?
This Sprunki watch is for you.
I don't want it. It's too dumb. Bye-bye. Daddy, can you make me a tunnel watch?
Okay, I'll make one for you.
Did your daddy ever make you a paper watch? If not, then you should try this. Ready, set, go! Yay! That looks super fun. I want to try next. Simon, what's going on? Oh no, my bottom hurts. But why does Tung Sahur look perfectly fine? Because he's a strong truck. He's a warrior. We will show you how to make this cardboard game. It's super fun and easy. Let's help Sonic and Knuckles clean their teeth. Brushy, brushy, brushy. Wait, where did Knuckles even get bones from? Let's brush Sonic's teeth. Scrub. I'ma try to get cleaner than Knuckles. Done! Ready, set, go! Tralaeno, tralala! Time, let's do again. Go! Tralaeno, tralala! He is too fast, I can't catch up with him. Guys, I need help. Yes, let's combine! Yes, I won! Yeah! What's going on with Jevin and Randy? The shoes! They're too stinky! Now, is it a tie again? We will show you how to make this paper game. It's super fun and easy. Let's learn how to make a super cool paper animation. Before we do, let's play a mini game with Tata Sahur. Yeah! This is cool. It is too easy. Bombardilo crocodilo, help! Thank you. Wow! You saved my day. We'll show you how to do it. It's super fun and easy. Guess who will win the race, Sonic or Shadow? 1, 2, 3, go! I won! Yeah! We will show you how to make this racing game.